This video is for use cases when an external clock frequency mismatch has been detected for one or more processors. Log into xClarity Controller and go to Events. If you see an error message, FQXSFPU0009K, work through the following procedure to troubleshoot this issue. Refer to Server Product Guide to verify that the processor is a valid option that is listed as a server-proven device for this system. If not, remove the processor and install one listed on the product guide. Refer to pubs.lenovo.com to verify that matching processors are installed in the correct processor sockets. Correct any mismatch found. Note that the solution for this error may involve a system board replacement. If TPM encryption has been enabled, back up TPM encryption recovery key. If the problem persists, collect and upload the service log and contact Lenovo support.